Introducing Cetus 2, revolutionary extruder design for on-the-fly switching multicolor and multi-material 3D printing. Seamlessly switch between two materials and colors. No need to print wasteful purge tower. Cetus 2 is time-saving and material-saving. The co-extrusion printhead can mix materials at any ratio of 0 to 100%. So you can print pure colors, blended colors, or even color transitions. Mix and match different materials to generate aesthetic and functional designs. Cetus 2 sets free your creativity, elevates what you can 3D print to a new level. The newly developed system allows you to define every position of material switching on the model with a simple setup using the dedicated software. Simply add an image and adjust its position. Then our software will take care of everything else. No matter whether you print something for fun from PLA or produce functional prototypes from engineering materials, Cetus 2 can handle any task with ease and blended creativity. Equipped with linear rails and TMC silent stepper drivers, Cetus 2 is well prepared for fast and silent 3D printing. You can use whichever way you want to upload models you're about to print. All setups can be easily done on the touchscreen. With a built-in sensor, Cetus 2 is able to initialize with fully automatic leveling and Z-level calibration to get prepared for any task. Equipped with filament detection, extruder flow monitoring, and power out recovery to make the whole printing process safe and easy. Join us now and enjoy the unprecedented 3D printing with material and color mixing innovation.